So second students, today definition, identity permutation, order of permutation and inverse permutation. So what is identity permutation means you can select any permutation. Example, F is equal first row A1, A2, A3. Second row also same elements A1, A2, A3. So that is called a identity permutation. Domain element and codomain element same values. So example 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First row 1, 2, 3, 4. Second row also same. 1 image 1, 2 image 2, 3 image 3, 4 image 4. This is called a identity permutation. Next, inverse permutation means first we can select one permutation. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, second row 8, 7, 5, 6. This is a permutation. What is inverse permutation means? This change the row elements. So this is F inverse. So second row what is 8, 7, 5, 6. So change the first row 8, 7, 5, 6. First row what is 1, 2, 3, 4. So write the downside 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is called a inverse permutation. This is main permutation. 1 image 8, 2 image 7, 3 image 5, 4 image 6. So just to change the elements. This second row come to the first row elements come to the second row. So image is very very important. So actual permutation 1 image 8, 2 image 7, 3 image 5, 4 image 6. What is inverse permutation? 8, 7, 5, 6 come this side and this is come this side. So 8, 7, 5, 6. 8 image 1, 7 image 2, 5 image 3, 6 image 4. Just inverse permutation means second row is come to the first row elements come to the second row. So images are very important. This is identity permutation, this is inverse permutation. Next one, order of permutation means you can select any permutation. Example F and you can find the F inverse. Next we come F square and F cube, F to the power of 4. That permutation, this identity permutation symbol, that permutation come to the first row elements and second row elements images also equal and stop the process. Example, F is equal to one permutation, you can do it F square. This first row element, second row elements images equal, you can stop the permutation. What is that? 2. So in this case, not elements and images not equal means this like not possible permutation. You can do it F cube and you can do it F power of 4. So this power is called a order of. So definition, F power of m is equal to I. F power of m equal to I. We can select one permutation, multiplication and do it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. That is totally equal to adding permutation. Stop the process. What is power? M. This m is called a order of a permutation. Example one problem. Find order of F permutation. What is F? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 1. This is given F permutation. You can find the order. So okay, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements, images 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 1. First we can do it F square. What is order of permutation definition? F power of m is equal to I. So it is called a order of permutation. So F into F square, nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 1. So this is F into F, product of two combination. So what is the elements 1 to 7? 1 to 7. You can write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Complete. Product of two combination process. 1 image 4, 4 image 5, 2 image 2, 2 image 2. Next 3 image 3. Next on this side 3 image 3, 4 image 5, 5 image 7, 5 image 7, 7 image 1. 6 image 6, 6 image 6, 7 image 1, 1 image 4. This is a F square. But 1 image 1 no, 2 image 2 okay, 3 image 3 okay. Next remaining elements you can observe. This is image not possible 7, this side not possible 5, this side not possible 4, this side not possible 1. So this is not called a identity permutation. Next we can do it F cube. This is F square. Next F cube. F cube means F square into F. F square what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 2, 3, 7, 1, 6, 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 1. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7. So multiply product of two permutation. One is F permutation, this is a F square permutation. Total new permutation, that is F cube. So 1 image 4, 4 image 7, 2 image 2, 2 image 2, 3 image 3, 3 image 3, 4 image 5, 5 image 1. Next 5 image 7 from this side, 7 image 4, 6 image 6, 6 image 6, 7 image 1, 1 image 5. So this is a F cube. But this is not equal to identity permutation. You can do it F power of 4. F power of 4 nothing but F cube into F. What is F cube? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 2, 3, 1, 4, 6, 5 into F permutation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 1. So this comes this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is F permutation, this is F cube permutation, total F power of 4. So you can, this is F power of 4 is identity permutation, you can stop. Otherwise you can do it F power of 5, F power of 6, okay. So this is F into set F cube. 1 image 4, 4 image 1, 2 image 2, 2 image 2, 3 image 3, 3 image 3, 4 image 5, 5 image 4, 5 image 7, 7 image 5, 6 image 6, 6 image 6, 7 image 1, 1 image 7. So this is identity permutation. Stop this process. So what happened means F power of 4 is equal to I. So what is M value? M is equal to 4. So what is the order of permutation? That is called a 4. So this is process. First you can select a permutation and you can do product of two permutation, F square or F cube, F power of 4, F power of 5, F power of 6. When you can stop this permutation process means come to the total identity permutation and you can stop the process. So 1 image 1, 2 image 2, 3 image 3, 4 image 4, 5 image 5, 6 image 6, 7 image 7. This is called a identity permutation. So F power of 4 is equal to identity permutation. What is M value? M is equal to 4. So 4 is a order of permutation. So this is problems is entrance point of also important DGDR MSc. So very important. Must question on the sentence level. Product of two permutations and what is order and what is inverse permutation. So this like permutations. So this is the process. Find the order of permutation process. Okay, bye.